got 13 new body cams from a grant. Cost the district no extra additional funds. These body cameras, they're very good for enhancing our criminal prosecution cases. It provides evidence at scenes. It helps us with confessions. You know, you can take the confessions from people on video. If people realize we have cameras, people are not likely to act up. People aren't likely to break the laws and things of that nature. We're gonna make a walk around, check doors and stuff. If y'all need anything, let us know.
Sounds good. Thank you.
I saw some kiddos. I'm gonna check on the kiddos.
Oh,
too.
they love it when you're here.
Oh, I love it.
We started it to give back to the membership. You know, being a pool, a risk pool, all of our members share in both our losses and our gains. Most of that is shared through, you know, lower prices and the premiums and stuff like that. But we wanted to give back a little bit more, and specifically in the safety related. You know, basically we can be safer, then that cuts down on the claims. That means that we don't pay out claims, and so, you know, it helps us, helps the membership.
How you guys doing? Y'all doing okay? What do you think? Say hi to the camera. Is that pretty cool? There you go. Y'all want to be famous, you know that.
I think these grants really help with just anything that's being done at the school district. So they're always appreciated, and it helps the district tremendously.
I love protecting our community. I love the students and the faculty here at Southside Independent School District. These cameras serve as an extra tool to help keep us safe. That's the reason why we do what we do.